This is the fruit of the winter, and the weather is very chill. This is you must enjoy along with the weather. Enjoy the heat, warm, enjoy a standby पड़ा है. Okay, right. आम के आम और आम के आम और गुठलियों के आम के आम गुठलियों के This special ring on the top is that if you want to keep shakarkandi or aloo, shakarkandi hai? Okay, can keep it while you are enjoying the warmth. Enjoy the heat, the warmth, and हमारा stand by पड़ा है. Okay, right. Shakarkandi is ready and not ready to eat. Golden एकदम golden. Steaming hot and must be sweet. This is the fruit of the winter, and the weather is very cold.